In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. Integrating HubSpot with Shopify lets you centralize customer and commerce data, so your marketing, sales, and operations all work from the same source of truth. I'll walk you through the simple flow, finding the app in HubSpot, connecting your Shopify store, and setting up the data sync so contacts, products, and orders appear where you need them. Start by opening your HubSpot account and navigating to the marketplace, which is the store icon in the main navigation. In the search field, type Shopify and look for the official HubSpot app. The official listing is the one to pick because it's maintained by HubSpot and keeps compatibility up to date. When you find it, click to view the listing and then click Install App. During installation, HubSpot will guide you through the authorization steps required to link the two systems. After the app is installed, you'll be prompted to connect your Shopify store. Enter the URL for your Shopify storefront when asked, and proceed to log into Shopify. This login grants HubSpot permission to access the data it needs. When you sign in, Shopify will show a permission screen. Review what HubSpot is allowed to access and accept the connection. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're logged into the correct account before granting access. Once the connection is established, go to HubSpot's settings and open integrations, then connected apps, where you'll see the Shopify integration listed. Open it and navigate to the CRM Syncs tab. This is where you configure what data flows between systems. Click Set up your sync to begin. Now choose which objects you want to synchronize. Typical choices include contacts, companies, products, and orders. For each object, you can configure the sync direction, one way from Shopify to HubSpot, one way from HubSpot to Shopify, or two-way. And map fields so data lands in the right properties on both sides. Take time to match field types carefully. Text fields should map to text fields, dates to dates, and so on. If you have custom properties in HubSpot, map them explicitly during this step. A few practical tips. Prioritize syncing contacts and orders first so your sales and service teams have immediate visibility. And double-check permission settings during the Shopify login step. If anything looks off after the initial sync, revisit the field mapping to correct mismatches. That's it. With the app installed, your store connected, and your sync configured, HubSpot and Shopify will begin sharing data to support smarter marketing and